Hannover Messe 2022 continues. Hello again, I'm Michael Hainsworth. Germany is the birthplace of Industry 4.0. Bringing together 5G, edge cloud, artificial intelligence, machine learning are just three ways in which we're seeing the future today. Tom joins us here at Hannover Messe 2022 for more on that. Good to have you with us.
Thank you for having me.
So what is the state of Industry 4.0 today?
I mean, we came quite a long way because we spoke about cloudification in the industry, we spoke about industrial IoT, we can do all of that, and now we turn onto the campus. We focus onto the campus with campus networks, what we can do there and what is possible.
Now, I've already mentioned 5G, artificial intelligence, cloud, but there are more foundational technologies that go into Industry 4.0.
Definitely. I mean, it starts with automation, which is a long-term topic in the industry, and we will support automation even further because the theme of the industry is more flexibility, being more resilient, etc., etc. And this is where our products also will focus on to make manufacturers more in this area.
So we bring all of these technologies together. What are some of the opportunities you're seeing?
I mean, when we look into discrete manufacturing, for instance, flexibility is the topic there to make assets, workers, etc. more flexible. What do you need for that? Better connectivity. So here we are with our products in terms of bringing the right devices to it, connecting them to our edge cloud, having the connectivity in a very reliable manner over there. Process industry, a little different. Process industry, it starts with campus-wide connectivity as a foundation for anything else. And then we can, on top of that, we can apply other more sophisticated applications, like, for instance, to augment the workers, to make them better in the field, to make them more efficient in the field, but also to make them safer.
Thank you, Tom.
Thank you.
Hannover Messe 2022 continues. I'm Michael Hainsworth.